back to my channel. So in today's video I am cooking. I told you guys I'm coming back with more cooking videos. So today we are making pasta fagioli. So easy, literally so easy. So, and this is actually one of like my comfort meals, like when it's colder outside. I love this dish so much. I really don't know why, but it's so good. So it's gonna be quick and easy because there's not much to it. So what you're gonna need for this recipe is celery, about 3 sticks of celery. You can keep the leaves on. Olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Salt, pepper, red crushed pepper, and then you're gonna need cannellini beans, or they also call them white kidney beans, and about 3 cans of that, and garlic, and that's literally it. So super easy. You could probably have half these ingredients in your pantry, and then also if you want to just go get it at Walmart, it's really cheap too to make, so that's always good. Oh, and you're gonna need pasta, so like shells go best with it. Also, you can chop it with a knife, but if you have like a food processor, it's easier to use the celery in that because you need it to be very small. So I'm just gonna go jump right into cooking it up. So yeah, so let me move this so you guys can see how I'm cutting up the celery. Chop it like this and then just throw it in there. So it's really all you need to do. This is like a simple recipe. My mom used to make this a lot, like all the time, and I love it. And you can also make this with like chicken cutlets as like, you know, extra protein to have with dinner. There's a lot of protein in the cannellini beans, so if you don't want to make anything else, you don't have to, but chicken cutlets do go really well with it. A malfunction there for a second, but it's all under control now. Yeah, that was so fast. Holy shit.
You're welcome.
Where has this been my whole life? I put some olive oil in there, probably about like to coat the pan, honestly. And then turn the stove on. Watch your hair, please. I'm gonna drop the celery.
You don't have to put more.
So I put that in there. We're gonna let it cook down for a little bit, and then we're gonna take the garlic and add about 1 teaspoon, so about like that much.
You can let it cook more.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it cook down a little bit. And I'm not using all of the celery. There's still some in here, but just like, you know.
Because it's only small cans.
Yeah.
You make a lot too, right?
The best cans to buy are the Goya cannellini bean cans. Also, guys, if I look different, it's because I dyed my hair again. I dye my hair like every 2 months.
I don't know if you still have hair.
What do you guys think? I feel like old me again with this hair color. Still blonde, but like more like it's a little bit darker.
You look better brunette to me. Because blonde for me is too fake. Okay. It's not you. You're Latina.
There's Latinas that are blonde.
But you're natural brunette Latina.
Well, maybe I want to be fake. No, I like
You can never be fake.
I cannot be fake.
Like, you can't even lie.
I'm the worst liar.
Me too.
Like, everyone knows that I'm lying.
I'd rather...
But I also, as I've gotten older, like, the truth hurts sometimes, and I don't care to, like, tell you that.
I mean, if somebody...
Like, not that I'm like, oh, I'm gonna be mean and, like, be mean to you, but, like, if I have the option to be honest and, like, tell you something for your benefit or lie to you...
It's like if I tell you, oh, you look great blonde. Yeah. Like, I'm lying.
Oh, we all know you're not a liar.
I can't do that.
I can add this now, right?
Yes, I cannot do that.
So like a teaspoon, guys.
I need to be honest. Like if that tastes like shit, I'm gonna tell you.
Oh, I know. This lady over here is not. That's one problem she doesn't have is telling the truth. And she's also the worst liar ever.
I can't lie.
You are so bad at lying.
I can't.
And it's funny when you think people believe you.
Because like my dad told me not to lie.
Okay.
You were so cute. Yeah, I remember it was our birthdays and you would go into the night table and find something and give it to us. Happy birthday. Like, oh.
Something that was already bought?
Yeah, that was yours or it was mine.
Oh, it was so sweet. I wanted to give you something.
Yeah, so cute.
I've always been a giver.
Yes, you have. Very sweet.
It's a good and a bad thing. Like like if you tell me you like something, I have to get it for you. And but it's a bad thing because people take it the wrong way sometimes. They like take it too serious, but it's like no, just like you liked it. I want to get it for you.
Yeah.
Like if I have like $1 left and you need it, like I'll give it to you.
You do, yeah. You are like that.
I just rather everyone be happy.
You do care about everybody, I have to say. Really?
Yeah.
Does it look soft?
It's getting there. I can't wait for one day when I can like cook for my husband.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get a lot of phone calls.
Yes. Asking questions.
That was me with lentils. Oh my god, and lentils is the easiest thing to do
Really?
ever.
You make good lentils.
Thank you. And it was like, every 5 minutes, Ma, how you make lentils? I don't know what it was, but my brain didn't function with the lentils.
I always dream like that I'm like, have my hair in a bun, like with my kids eating breakfast, and I'm like
I used
cooking.
to do it for you guys.
Yeah, like cooking dinner, and my husband comes home and is
Hi,
happy.
honey. How was your day? You gonna be with that dress? Cooking?
No. Sweatpants and a crop top.
Yeah. Dinner served.
Dinner's ready for you. Now we're going to add the cannellini beans.
With water and all.
Yeah, don't drain them.
Don't get mad.
Stop! No, we're not doing that. Guys, my mom does this thing.
You're so stupid. You love it. I'm like, why?
I do not love this. Okay, listen. So, my mom does this thing where if I say something like, and she'll do it in the middle of me laughing. So like, if I'm laughing at something really hard, and I'll be like, yeah, stop. And she'll be like, stop. like she'll use the last word that I use and like imitate me.
But you're so stupid.
And then I'm like, you know when you're not supposed to be laughing and then that's when you laugh? Like, I want to stop laughing because it's annoying, but like, I can't stop. And then she makes me laugh more.
Oh my god, that's the best.
It's so funny. Alright, so 3 cans, mix it up.
You can use as many. It depends how many people you're having.
Well, yeah, but we're just 3, so.
A can of person.
A can of person. So we're gonna add some salt, just a little bit.
That's good. Sea salt.
Sea salt.
Sea salt.
Some black pepper.
That's good.
And then some red crushed pepper. Ooh, I almost opened up the big side.
Oh my god, that is so spicy.
And if you don't like spicy, you need to grow up. Leave it like that. And we're gonna cover it. Oh, and you need to make the pasta. So, that. So we're gonna make pasta. You guys know how to make pasta. Come on.
You know that
A little bit of water that from the pasta. Don't drain all of it. Take a little bit before you drain it and put it in here. I'll show you guys. But we're not gonna make the pasta yet because it's not done yet. So let this simmer for about how long?
I don't know, like half an hour, 20 minutes.
Oh, the pasta's done, so I'm gonna take some of the water from the pasta.
Just a little.
Just a little, like enough like to fit in this. And throw it in here.
Perfect, no?
And then I'm gonna drain the pasta. Okay, so now I'm gonna serve. So I don't want to eat right now because I'm not hungry, but I'm gonna show you guys like how I would normally have it. But I'll have it for dinner later. So some pasta, and then mix it around. Make sure you get some of the juice in there. And then I'm gonna take some cheese. This is optional, you don't have to, but I like a little bit. And then a little bit of crushed pepper. It's gonna look like that. It's really hot, so I'm gonna mix it around. Try it for you guys.
Looks good. Delicious?
Yeah. I wasn't hungry, but. Oh, hot.
I'm burning you seeing it.
Yummy. My mom's tasting it. Good? Yay. I need my dad to approve. But he's on the phone.
It's a really easy dish
Guys,
to make.
it's so easy. Like this, you guys saw it literally took about 30 minutes. Like, and there's not a.
Good, kid.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Good. So, literally super quick and easy. You can also throw the pasta into the beans and everything after and just like serve it like that. But I like it separated because you can pick how much.
I like the pasta al dente too. If you do that sometimes, it makes
Like
the pasta
mushy.
what they call sfatta.
Yeah.
I just mixed it all together.
That's it, guys, for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you try this recipe, let me know. Comment below what you want me to cook next, and I will do it. I really want to try and cook something once a week for my YouTube channel, so give me some ideas on what you guys want me to make. Check out my other cooking videos on the playlist down below, and I will be back with more videos. Have a great day and a blessed rest of your day, guys.